Leaders who inspire and cultivate intrinsic motivation create teams that are built to last. Motivation can create a dilemma for leaders. Fostering intrinsic motivation is the key to productive teams. Many leaders, however, are not confident as to how to foster an environment that creates intrinsic motivation. How can a leader be confident they are creating an environment in which people are intrinsically motivated? Here are 5 how-tos. First, set clear standards. People need to understand what they are striving for so they can work to exceed those standards. Second, expect the best. Allowing others to take ownership of their work requires your trust they will deliver. This creates an environment where people want to prove their best to themselves as well to you. Third, pay attention to people. Pay attention to what others are achieving. Intrinsically motivated people may not need formal recognition, but they appreciate being noticed. Fourth, celebrate together. This doesn't require anything more than time together. And fifth, set the example. Show your own intrinsic side. Let employees know what drives you and what makes up your personal sense of accomplishment. Fostering intrinsic motivation fuels individuals and teams in a way that doesn't create expectation of external rewards in exchange for work or a sense of entitlement. Leaders who inspire and cultivate intrinsic motivation create teams that are built to last.